Ready to unlock a small but mighty text effect in Adobe Photoshop? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to type superscript, like mathematical exponents, footnotes, or any raised character right inside your Photoshop document. By the end, you'll be able to create that crisp, professional-looking superscript so your text stands out for scientific work, custom labels, and more. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to start by opening up Photoshop. If you already have it running, great. Just make sure you're working in the document where you need the superscript. If you're starting fresh, just go to File and click New to create a new canvas. Don't worry about the size right now. You can adjust it to whatever works best for your project. The main point is to get into Photoshop and get your creative space set up. Once you're in, it's time to add some text. Go over to the toolbar, usually on the left side, and select the Type tool, the icon that looks like a capital T. Click anywhere on your canvas and start typing. Pick any word or number, even just a sample phrase like H2O or footnote 1, just so we have something to work with. You can change the font, color, and size, but for superscript, those basic settings don't matter just yet. The key is to have some editable text on the screen. Now, let's move on to the character panel. This is where a lot of hidden power lies for text formatting in Photoshop. If you don't see the character panel on your screen already, don't worry. It's easy to bring up. Go to the top menu bar, click Window, and then select Character from the dropdown. That will pop up a panel with a bunch of text options. It's kind of like zooming under the hood of Photoshop's text engine. You're about to get access to features you won't see anywhere else. Here comes the crucial part: highlighting and converting to superscript. With your Type tool still selected, click and drag to highlight the section of text you want to change. For example, if you typed H2O, maybe you just want to make the 2 superscript, like in the proper chemical notation. Or if you wrote X2, only the 2 needs to be raised. Carefully highlight just that character or group of characters. Don't worry if it takes a couple tries. A gentle hand goes a long way. Once your desired text is highlighted, look in the character panel for a little icon that looks like a raised T with a smaller letter in the top right corner. That's the superscript button. Click it, and instantly, your selected text pops up into the superscript position. It shrinks a bit and rises above the rest of the text. A small tap, but a big difference visually. This is especially useful for mathematical notation, scientific formulas, or reference markers, where clarity and accuracy really matter. Using superscript instead of just shrinking the font or moving the text manually keeps everything neat, readable, and professional. At this point, take a look at your result. If it doesn't look quite right, maybe double-check which part you highlighted, or toggle the superscript button again. It can take a few moments to get used to where everything is, but once you know it, it's a huge time saver. And that's it. You've taken plain text and effortlessly converted it into professional superscript right inside Photoshop. If you have any trouble finding the character panel or the right icon, just pause, take a breath, and retrace those steps. You'll get there. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And let me know in the comments if you have any other Photoshop questions or are curious about more advanced text effects. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any new tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.